So here's a fun fact. Donnie's currently digging through a stack of pipes that came off of bikes after A1 this year. These are really neat things. So what happens is FMF actually supplies these pipes to the riders. After each race, the pipes come back here, are completely torn apart, repacked, reassembled, and then go back out to the riders.
Yeah, it's just a great way for us to see what's going on in that type of environment. Obviously, the pro level athletes are very hard on equipment, as we all know. So whether if they're not crashing and bending up the muffler, you know, they're boot marks and they're scratching it. So we want to get back. We want to make it look brand new for the race, new fresh packing. They don't even need actually fresh packing, but you know, we deliver it to them each week with a brand new exhaust. But it's pretty neat to see because sometimes we'll do different things to test, maybe different lengths for sound. You know, Supercross, you have to meet sound requirement. So a lot of times what we'll do is as we're testing throughout the year, if we come up with something better, we put that right into production as a running change. So the end consumer is actually getting what guys like Jason Anderson, Shane McElrath, Aaron Plessinger run on their motorcycles.
That's cool. Again, made here in the USA and tested on real live bikes out in the field. That's what we like to see.